Today we're installing a Madjax Club Car DS rear seat. Included in the kit is the footrest, 2 footrest brackets, a seat back support, 2 armrests, a bumper, 6 hardware packs, 2 lean back brackets, 2 seat back brackets, 2 main seat frame brackets, 2 rear struts, your seat frame, and 2 cushions. To do this, we're going to use a cordless drill, a 17mm gear wrench, a 17mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a number 3 Phillips tip. Now let's get started. Before we begin, I want to point out that we have removed our top, our rear struts, our bumper, and all of the factory rear hardware. To start, we're going to install our bumper using 2 bolts from the hardware in pack 1 and tighten. Once our bumper is secured, next thing we'll do is install the main seat frame brackets as well as the seat back brackets. We're going to take our seat back brackets using our factory hardware and mount to the back side of our seat. Next, we're going to use the 8mm hardware from pack number 1 and attach our main seat frame bracket to our cart and tighten. We will repeat this process on the passenger side. The next step, we're going to attach our footrest using the remaining hardware from pack number 1 and tighten. Now that we have our footrest attached, we're going to place our seat frame on our main seat frame brackets. Using the hardware from pack number 2, we need to install bolts at the rear of the seat frame as well as the front. Once both bolts are installed, then you can tighten. Now we're going to attach our rear bolts. Once we have both sides tightened, we can install our armrests. We're going to take our seat back support bar, place it on the frame. Now taking the armrests, we're going to use the Phillips head bolts applied in pack 3 and secure our nut on the outside of the cart. Now, using the 70mm bolt from pack 3, we're going to attach our armrests to our seat back support bar. In 2 places, be sure on the top, we use a spacer. And hand tighten. We will repeat this process on the other side of the cart, but just hand tighten. We will tighten all nuts later. Now, using the remaining hardware from pack number 3, we're going to attach our footrest brackets to our footrest and hand tighten. We will repeat this process on the passenger side. Now that we have attached our footrest brackets, we can install our lean back brackets to our lean back cushion using the hardware from pack number 4. You have a split washer and a flat washer. Split washer first, flat washer second. Be sure to get each bolt in place before you tighten. Now we'll repeat this process on the other side. Now, using the 45mm bolts from hardware pack 5, we're going to attach our lean back to our seat back support. Make sure our seat back support brackets are over our lean back brackets. Now we're going to secure all previously hand tightened hardware. Now that we have all of our hardware tightened, we're going to install our rear struts using the hardware from pack number 5. Once both bolts are in place, then we can tighten our hardware. We will repeat this process on the passenger side of the cart. Now that we've attached our rear struts, we can attach our seat bottom to our flip seat. Using the hardware from pack 6 and a number 3 Phillips tip. Now we're going to punch a hole in our strap and attach that to the seat bottom as well. Once we have all 9 screws in place, now we can reattach our top. Now that we have reattached our top, we are now finished with our Club Car DS rear seat installation.